Hey guys, my name's Anthony.
I'm Michelle. This is Tucker.
And we're RV'N with Tucker. Welcome to our new channel. My wife and I, we love to camp and fish. And we've been talking for years about getting an RV. And we finally did it. We finally found one. Here it is. It is our 1995 Fleetwood Storm 31-foot RV. We're tickled pink to have it. We're tickled pink for this opportunity to camp like we wanted to for years, and we just want to show you around. Is that okay, Tucker? Let's go check it out.
Where Anthony and I sit.
This is the cockpit.
This is the cockpit where he'll be doing the driving instead of me, because I don't quite trust myself yet. But
excuse the mess, we're still moving in.
Anyway, and then this over here is our little kitchen area. You can move these little boards here. You see, we have our sink. Water's not on right now, or I would show you how it works. Storage over here, our microwave. We got light here. Got storage in the drawer and down here. I won't bore y'all with opening all the drawers. And this is our little stove.
Got an onboard propane tank to power
And
this.
you can also use the top for cutting stuff or whatever else you may need. Our little vent hood. And we have an oven.
Sweet oven.
An oven. Probably won't use
pizza.
it that much when it's hot, but anyway. Then over here we have a couch that converts into a bed.
Vacuum cleaner.
And this is our little seating area, like when we eat or we just want to, you know, use our electronics here or whatever. This is our thermostat with our air conditioner, heater.
It's a brand new air conditioner that was installed a while ago,
Yes.
so it is brand new.
It is brand new. Of course, we have storage there and storage above the sofa. We got a little wind chime my sister gave me. Got a full-size refrigerator, freezer on top, refrigerator on bottom. We got our pantry area here and here. We got our wardrobe that has a fan in it right
We
now.
won't open
so
that up.
I'm not going to open that up, but we have storage down there as well. This is our bathroom. Now y'all have seen those before. Not very interesting,
Let's
but
take a peek.
anyway, we do have a shower, a toilet, and
You can tell we took the shower door out and replaced it with a
did,
shower
'cause
curtain. It was a little
broke.
worse for wear. Nice little.
We have a nice size bed. Got 3 windows in here. We have storage all on that side. Emergency window just in case. I don't know why that's up. But if we're not using the air conditioner, we do have a little vent. I forgot to mention that. We have one in the bathroom as well. Then we have one up at the front as well that has like a little fan. But this is nice on a day like today when the wind's blowing. You can feel a cool little breeze. But basically this is our home away from home. So hope you guys and gals enjoyed the tour. What you doing, Tucker? You're looking for stuff, aren't you?
Finding something else to chew.
Yep.
I've been doing some work in here, and he's finding my little leftovers. So we'll have to make sure we keep this clean for him. We won't be chewing anything. All right, guys, we really appreciate you watching our channel. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. Again, this is RV'N with Tucker. See you guys next time. God bless.